It's well understood within the criminal law that for a criminal offence to be committed, two general requirements must be met. There must be the doing of a criminal act, what we call the actus reus or physical element, and there must be a guilty mind, what we call mens rea or a fault element. Some offences can be committed by corporations, but how? Corporations don't have the capacity to do physical things, nor do corporations have their own mind. People carry out those functions. But does that mean that the corporation will automatically be liable for everything done in the name of that corporation by every individual person? In this case, Tesco's were, and indeed still are, a massive chain of supermarkets in the United Kingdom. They were running a special offer on Radiant washing powder, selling it for 2 shillings and 11 pence instead of 3 shillings and 11. However, they had run out of the discounted washing powder and an employee had forgotten to tell the store manager to pull down the discount sign. A shopper came in and couldn't find the discounted washing powder, so they complained about false advertising, which was a criminal offence. The question was whether this could be attributed to the corporation, and this in turn depended on whether the manager was part of the controlling mind of the corporation, so that his conduct could be attributed to the corporation as a whole. Lord Morris said the manager did not function as the directing mind or will of the company. His duties as the manager of one store did not involve managing the company. He was the one who was being directed. He had certain duties which were the result of the taking by the company of all reasonable precautions and of the exercising by the company of all due diligence. He was a person under the control of the company. He was, so to speak, a cog in the machine. Because the corporation had good processes in place to ensure discount signs were removed, the fact that some individual had failed to follow those processes could not be attributed to the corporation. The employee and the manager made a mistake, but those mistakes belonged to them and not to the company. Only those who are part of the directing mind or will of the corporation can have a guilty mind on the corporation's behalf.